I know, right? Oh, let's go. TOVX is cooking there. T to the O to the VX. That's a nice demand zone bounce. Very nice bounce. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's go. Let's go. Lizzie, good morning. T Robot, good morning. Magic. Magic, Trevor. Chaka, good morning. How are you? Azul, good morning. Tesh, he's scalping? No, I went to get some water. BLK, good morning. Jasmine, good morning. Good morning, Jay. TK, good morning. Azul, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Patricia, good morning. Good morning, Brad. Root back to 40. What do you think? Are you long or short, Brad? Let me know. Let me know. Chima, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. The S&P looks like it's kind of gapping up this. It is gapping up this morning. So let's see if we can stay above 570. Who knows, right? Going into elections we only have 2 more trading days left before the election. Well, actually 3, right? Because the election is until Tuesday night. So then full trading on Tuesday and then election. But you can kind of tell though, right? Like everybody's just kind of being cautious and safe before we go into that. So everything just kind of seems to be a pump and dump. Lots of uncertainty, PRSO had a nice pop and then got slapped to the abyss. Like that's what I mean. Like everything is such a pump and dump, right? It's like, oh my goodness, it's cooking. No, it's not. Right back to the abyss. Happy Diwali to you as well, Tesh. Let's go, let's go. Andrew, good morning. Archer, good morning. Good morning, everybody. BTC is back above 70. You know, BA I just had it on here because I wanted to look at it last night, but obviously we're not gonna get those calls now because that thing was having a good after hours, and for some reason I don't know, but then it just kind of exploded after hours, so might be a bit too late for those calls on that one. Good morning, Natalia. Hello. But so I think for now, though, going into the open, TOVX kind of seems like the more promising name, doesn't it? But yeah, we wait and see. We wait and see. Make sure my scanner is up and running. Otherwise, I'm gonna miss all these names. Amazon. Kind of. Chris. Into open if okay, sounds good. The QQQ Stock. Good morning, Chambers. Yeah, GSAT is up here somewhere. One of the crazy names. There it is on the left hand side. Not sure what your question is, but I would kind of like for this thing to stay above the 200 there. So 137, Lizzie. Ready? So if it doesn't hold 137, and then you're potentially going back to retest right between 130 and 120. That would be the new range if it breaks below this 200 EMA. Okay, I'm not sure if you're in a position, so let me know. Let me know. Question for you guys though: what's your favorite stock going into the open, if anybody has one? Someone mentioned in Discord this morning that they're just paper trading, because they're not feeling confident, right? So they're just gonna paper trade, and that's a beautiful plan, you know. None of them exactly, Trevor. Seriously, none of them until we get to the open, and then something shows a bit of like life. Everything just kind of seems very sus. Very, very sus. So be patient, everybody. Be safe. Plus, it's a Friday. I like. You like books, Azul? Me too. La 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 la. What did you tell that person? Paper trades. Why are you gay? Eh? Anyways, for the experience, yeah, yeah. I mean, just so you can feed the urge to do something, right? But at the same time, you're kind of learning, in a sense, you know. Do 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 do. Yeah, even when you look at, like, social media is a good tool sometimes, like if you use it in the right way. Even when you look at social media, you could tell, like, the days where everybody on social media is focused on one stock, the days where everybody's like all over the place, like, what about this one, what about this one, what about this one, then like, okay. No, nobody likes any of these stocks. Yeah. Eritrean, again, I'm not sure when you guys put tickers in the chat. I don't know what you're actually asking for, right? So then I don't know what to tell you. So if you have a question, actually put some, you know. Just wanted to know. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, I mean, we open in just over 15 minutes, so we might as well be patient and wait for the market to open, and then go from there. Azul, deal, deal. I like it. Sounds like a good plan. They are, Trevor. Yeah. Most boys are, at a younger age. Yeah. I mean, I say at any age. I say at like a younger age. Honestly, any age, you know. All the boys. 13 and 8. Okay, definitely at that age. Yeah, all the boys. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So TOVX is still looking like the more promising name, but who knows? Let's see what happens the closer we get to the open, and then the current high for the stock is closer to 240. Um, and yeah, let's see if we can get to that level when the market does open. Let's see. Good morning, Chef Shamir. Good morning, Jonathan. Good morning. Yeah, yeah. Other than that, everything else still looks weak, right? ATHA hasn't been too bad, but it just seems to be going back and forth for now, not really breaking above anything. The S&P, we're not really going to put too much effort in, in talking about this thing, right? Not too much effort there. Let's see what happens at the open and then go from there. And Boeing, let's see if we can get a dip on that one. Let me look at Amazon's. The Amazon's very, very slow, huh? Very slow. That's taking forever. Buenos dias, Jonathan. My goodness. Maybe it doesn't want us to look at Amazon. What if we say Tesla, guys? Is Tesla gonna load faster? I bet you if we said AMC, it's gonna load. Unbelievable. Do, 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 do. Anyways, let me try this on a different tab. Nope, very slow. Huh? Very, very slow. Do, 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 do. Why? Yeah, this VMAR, Canadian stock. Hmm. Good morning, Mullen. But there's always Mullen. I know, right? Speaking of which, maybe I should look and see what it's doing at that double bottom. You guys can hear me fine though, right? It's just my trading view that's doing this. I hope so. I hope so. Okay, thank you, Mullen. Can't believe we call you Mullen now. I cannot believe you. Unbelievable. I'm kidding. Good morning, Doche. Ayo. My goodness, what the hell? Kidding me? Yeah, try refreshing the tab here, guys. And then let me try pulling up Amazon again. Okay, there we go. Just wanted me to refresh it, huh? So obviously Amazon is having a really nice gap up, a very nice gap up, very nice gap up post earnings. Again, like we never really expect these companies to miss earnings, right? The companies that you just know that are gonna they're gonna beat earnings, right? The big seven, right? Microsoft, Meta, um, and there's a whole bunch more, right? Obviously, Amazon is one of those. So, never really expect these companies to beat earnings. There's always that element of sentiment, though. That you never like. It's still always a gamble, right? You can still beat and get slapped. But yeah, nice little gap up for Amazon, right? A week, no. So all-time highs for Amazon, 52-week highs at least, 201.20. So we're not quite there yet. So maybe it's a double top virus. I know you were looking for shorts. For shorts, Amazon is getting right to that level. You could always try those puts at 200, and then if it broke above like 201.20, you could just close that position immediately, right? Because at the same time, it doesn't make a huge like from 200 to 201. Well, I mean, it makes a difference, but it's not like all of a sudden you're losing 50%, right? So yeah, yeah. Double up. You're gonna slap it, virus. Okay, sounds good. Good morning, Jericho. Stay green, not greedy, please. Uh, yeah. Well, I mean, Mullen. Yeah, you have bad intentions today. Yeah, I mean, it's a good price to have bad intentions, though, right? For Mullen. For no, for Amazon. Okay. So, anyways, what other large caps do I want to look at here really quickly? Good morning, Nitro. Meta gap up as well. Yeah, the entire market seems to be gapping up this morning. So 570. Yup. Yup. What else do we want to look at here? Let me pull up Tesla and then Apple. This is the daily chart, by the way, for Tesla, so it doesn't quite. But I mean, you can still see that double top for Tesla, right? So lots of resistance up there, and then a sell off. And then the NVIDIA, yes. And then Apple obviously is gapping down. According to TradingView, they missed earnings. I don't think we really pay that much attention to Apple earnings, but um, according to TradingView, they missed it. That doesn't. I mean, that's happened. That's happened since, let's just go to 2017, right? That's happened twice. So these companies don't miss very often, and usually if they do miss, it's some silly number somewhere. It's not even revenue. I think the Apple numbers was something like they made the most amount of money they've made in what was it, India? I guess that doesn't account for the entire revenue, but still, like they're not concerned. But anyways, but isn't it funny how that works though? Like look at Apple at a double top, right? Those would have been some nice puts at 237, right? Right at the double top, and then slap. Now it's going down to that 220-ish support. Anyways, moving on. Nvidia. Good morning, Cheddar. Nvidia with a nice little gap up as well this morning. That thing was T-Rexing, wasn't it? Some of these lines we have on here, I don't know where they come from, but yeah. Anyways, So it'll be interesting to see what happens today when the market opens, and then go from there. Hola, Nisi. Speaking of Nisi, what's DJT doing here? Going into next week, it's down another 6% again. Dang, those puts. Those puts. I think the only thing that was concerning about those puts was how expensive those damn things were. Like DJT's at 50 something dollars, and $20 puts are still well over $1. Are you kidding me? I guess everybody knew this was coming. I guess everybody wanted those puts. Yeah. Bradley. The funny thing is, when those numbers came out, the market actually did go up, right? So these are the numbers, right? The numbers came out right here, and it went up and down for a second, and then eventually still went up. So, and now we're basically back to the same price we were at before those numbers came out. So yeah, 8 minutes before the market opens. But yeah, so DJT gap down. Maybe this is a good thing if you're holding a long position. Oh my goodness, Dan. Straight to violence, You seeing this virus? Straight to violence. Not like good morning everybody. How are you guys doing? No, straight to violence. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Bigfoot. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, looking at some of these names, they still all kind of look sus, right? All of them. Sus from left to right. Dan is gonna go buy some BA calls, you know? Uh Harry, good morning. Hello. Alan, good morning. I was gone for vacation, and it's been a bloodshed Oliver. Samit, yeah. Well, it's only been this week though, before the election, right? It wasn't last week was amazing. Everything was pumping, right? This week, as we go into the election, everybody's kind of reserved, taking some monies off the table, not FOMOing as much. Good morning, guys. Unbelievable. What's up, James? And yeah, Yang, good morning. Kuchi, you're in at $2.80. That thing went down that low. I know I call it the Kuchi stock, but anyways, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. Envoy. My thoughts on this. I think that's not a bad entry already. So let's hope that it can pop at the open for you. But not a bad entry at all. Right. So yeah, I would be looking for, like, so you're in at 280. The support is again for now 275, right? So I'd be looking at that level and thinking, okay, like, that's my potential stop loss right below that, right? But you should be hopefully okay. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Nikolai, good morning. Uh, on our way plumbing. Ooh. Good morning. Hello, hello. Um, but yeah, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. It really helps. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link from Dan at the bottom there, and come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Stay green, please. Up, his Steph Stewart to hand out our candy to the kids. Well, unbelievable. This is why we really need stocks pumping, because you guys can focus. Unbelievable. La 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 la. So, okay, there we go. Anyways, I asked you guys this question earlier. Going into the open, what's your favorite stock? And no one could really give me an answer. Has that changed? 5 minutes to go, guys. What's your favorite stock going into the open? Oh my goodness, pizza. Good morning. Here comes the roast master. Unbelievable, pizza. How are you? How's your morning? Okay, let's see if there's anything else that I like that's better than the other rubbish. La 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 la. Let me take a look at NHD maybe. NHD. Your favorite stock is Kuchi? Uh-huh, of course it is. Of course it is. Uh, hmm. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, the volume in this one is not impressive. Not impressive at all. But I'm just gonna set an alert on this thing. See if they can give us anything here. We might spend the day watching Bitcoin, guys. Still above 70. Yeah. TOVX. Yeah. Can I look at what am I looking at? GV. GV is yours. In at $1.04. Okay. GV. Is that the right one? So you're basically in on this drop then? Okay. Why is it dropping like somebody slapped it off the bridge? Anyways, it's sitting at all time lows. So at this point, you put your hands together and pray, right? Um, there's really not a whole lot I can tell you. You might just have to again you're in at 104 and it's sitting at 104 105, so that's okay for now, right? So if I were you, I would just maybe pick a level and set a stop loss because you're sitting in no man's land right now. The good thing though is like you can look at that $1 level and say, okay, maybe $1 is going to be a solid level. But for now though, you want to pray.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because that's
Let's see. I see nothing but fear and yeah, you're betting chaos. I agree. I agree. It's funny how like last week we were at greed and then this week we're at fear. Interesting. Um, but yeah, pray. Don't let that be you, please. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Is GTOVX still our favorite stock going into the open? It might still be. VSTE just popped to the highs of the day. Let me take a look. VSTE. Hmm. Yeah. Ace. Okay. Exactly what happened as soon as I entered stocking. I know, Peter, which is crazy. I know. I know. Yeah. So nice little pop there on that one. Yeah, today really is one of those days where you're waiting for the market to open and then let's see what the market gives us, right? Because if you're trying to pick a stock, you might get slapped. You might get slapped. Okay. Raven, good morning. Ayo, Monty, good morning. Uh, good morning. Moses, good morning. Hello. Hello, hello. Samuel, your eyes are on fun and DJT. Okay. Yeah, maybe you get like a late day, rally on fun and DJT. You never know, right? Going into the election, right? Will, good morning. Hey, good morning. You never know. Maybe we sell off now, but then towards the end of the day, or maybe even on Monday, I guess. But as long as they're holding above support levels, though, then go from there. Uh, you know. Anyways, so we open in less than a minute. We open now, right? So there goes the market open. So let's see what pumps and let's see what gets slapped. The S&P is already getting slapped. GSAT is getting slapped. TOVX looks like it's still sitting in that same range, so that's not horrible. QQQ Stock is still holding 270, 280, so that's a good thing, right? See if we can get back above $3, and here goes 299, right? There goes $3. So all of you guys are kind of back to break even for now, and then you can kind of think and decide what you want to do with that position, right? VSC is kind of stuck there. TOVX again still in that same range, but it is looking okay. It just has a lot of resistance at below 130, and then the closer to 140 after that. But yeah, no need to rush at the open though, right? Did he say? Yeah. That's what it. Peter, that's how that's that's the stock. See the ticker symbol, Peter. You see it? Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. DJT. Interesting. Okay. Let me pull up DJT. Yeah. TradingView has this thing where they have like the ticker and then they have like another thing. You know. Mm. Uh, no pizza. Anyways, yeah, DJT with a nice little pop there. Uh, what is that? Is that VSME? Slap, 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 slap. Resistance, slap. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Is this one halted down? VSME? No, not yet. Not yet. CDXC. Let me pull up that one. CDXC. I mean that's okay though. You sold, and the stock is going back down to where you bought it at, Yang. So maybe it's a good thing that we scared you, right? Look at that. You're almost back to the same price you bought it at. So you came out on top, right? Look at it drop, and now you would be red in that position. So yeah. Pizza. There you go. So let's see if we can stay above 275 again, right? It bounced and came right back to the abyss. So anyways, this one had a nice little pop here. Doesn't look like it has a catalyst, but had a bit of volume this morning. It got slapped, Carl. Yeah, all of these stocks are getting slapped. This just isn't the week for no 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 no. Okay, sounds good. Let's see. What's Spy doing? Spy slapped and then came right back up. Still early though. Maybe DJT can go from red to green, guys. Red to green, maybe. Again, TOVX was our favorite name coming into the open. It looks like it was for a good reason, right? So, because that thing said, "Thanks, guys. Let me cook." Is that the high of the day? Yeah, I just made brand new highs of the day. Oof, that thing said, "Thank you, thank you." Again, just be careful with the volatility at the open because you never know which direction this stuff goes in a few seconds. But that's a pretty nice pop. That thing said, "Thank you, guys." Type in yes in the chat if you're holding TOVX because I know quite a few of you guys were posting this one as your favorite stock of the few that posted. Um, yeah. So Yang, by the way, good exit on Kuchi, right? Because that thing came back down. TOBX still looking like the top name for now. Yeah. What would be good on this one though would be like if it came back and give us a higher low, because then we could feel a bit more confident that it's actually behaving and it's not just a pump and dump, you know. Uh, wait, you downgraded from living room to the basement. No, pizza. It's a different wall, pizza. It's a different wall. Unbelievable. You sold before the open, Carl? Dang. Yeah. Not a bad thing, honestly, because that thing was sitting at resistance coming into the open, right? Not a bad thing at all. I don't think I'd have regrets about that. All right. Even if it's cooking, I think you did the right thing. Most of the time it doesn't work like that. Or the sell-off is a bit more severe and then we eventually end up pumping, right? But uh for the next dip, yeah. La, 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 la. Let's see. Yeah, so TOVX still looks okay. The S&P is doing well for now. For now, the S&P is at the highs of the day, 572. 572. The markets definitely got slapped hard yesterday. Slapped. Slapped. Okay, let's see. Do, 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 do. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Hmm. Okay. Do, 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 do. Just checking. Do, 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 do. Checking. Do, do, do. Hmm. Okay. Sounds good. uh, unbelievable pizza. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. You can't have peace. How the body? The body is fine, no pizza. The body is okay. Other than a headache that I have today, which is annoying. I think I just not hydrating properly. Lack of hydration. Uh, Eric, I'll take a look. I will take a look. Yeah, if you look to the left hand side, yeah, so 65, 66. 65, 66. Good entry though, by the way, right? The closer you are to 56, the better. But yeah, just be mindful of a potential double top, right? So 65 to 66. Uh, Good job though. It looks like we had a nice little pop again for TOVX, but then that actually just hit resistance and came all the way back down to retest the previous break. So if you're playing with this thing, just make sure we can find a way to stay above 228 to 230. Ready? I just got an alert for something. For what? I don't know. Let's find out. An alert for ILLR. ILLR. Who the hell is watching this stock? Was it me? Oh. Anyways, that's an alert. The volume is super light though, so yeah. Yeah. The market open TK or do better TK? Do better. No, that's okay. That happens way too often. You just have to again always make sure that when you're watching the stream, there's a little red dot. That's the live dot. If that dot isn't on, then that means you're living in Peter's basement. But anyways, you were Nikolai? Yeah, I just got that alert. I must have set an alert for a breakout or something, like right here, right? So I must have been watching like right there for breakout. But the only thing I don't like about this is the volume. Let's see how it performs though. Ooh, okay. Maybe that was a good alert. Huh. Anyways, micro caps before putting the big monies in. Okay. For your best streaming experience, place a post-it note over Blaze's face. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Ooh, that was a good alert because that thing is cooking there, Nikolai. Right? Again, the volume is not the best, but that was a good breakout, it seems. Huh. Huh, huh, huh. Anyways, yeah, the volume is still not to my liking. So no, 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 no. 67 and it goes down to 2. Now back to wow. Really? $2? Yeah, this is why we had to sell these stocks, Nikolai, because from $7 to $2 is heartbreaking. You know, and I didn't notice. I felt like I was hearing you say the same thing over and over, TK. That's okay. It wasn't funny, Pita. Unbelievable. I ran out of mini post-its. Why does it have to be a mini one? Unbelievable. Exactly, Nikolai. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. The S&P is doing well this morning, isn't it? Right? But again, who knows? By the end of the day, we could be getting slapped back to the abyss already. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Find out soon enough. Bitcoin obviously is bouncing as well with the markets, right? Um, yeah. Huh. Yeah. ILLR looks it's doing okay. Even with the super low volume, it's doing okay. ATHA is retesting that 65, 66 again, Eric. TOVX looks like it's really, really retesting that previous breakout. So it's going to need to find a way to curl up this level that it's sitting at. Otherwise, slap. ENSC. Let me take a look. ENSC. My goodness. These stocks are so stupid. It was a good swing. Yeah. So stupid today. Like everything's just a pump and dump. Yeah. Let's see. Let's give it some time. What's in the momentum scanner? Nothing that I like. Yeah. Could election dance could as a sympathy play, yeah. If Trump wins and DJT is pumping, yeah, that's for sure. Could be a good sympathy play. So um yeah. We're gonna need to keep a really close eye on the Trump stocks going into Tuesday. Right? Maybe they run before the election, or if they crash, then they run after the election. If he wins, if he doesn't win, then straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss, no mercy. Your entry is $10 for TIGR. Okay, absolutely. TIGR. Like I say, like it's crazy. Like one week we're getting 1,000% on everything. The other week it's like, oh my goodness, 10%. Really? I blame Pizza for this. Pizza's fault. You're in at $10 in this thing. So you have gone down the path of darkness, Eritrean. Eh? You buy the stock at $10 and you let it go to $5. No stop loss. Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah. So I mean, it's coming off the bottom. It's coming off support. So $6 support. Let's hope it stays above. If it does, then you should be okay for now. Alrighty. Your next resistance here is right around like $6.70. Alrighty. So I think you might have finally found the bottom. Again, you shouldn't be holding stocks this long, right? You cannot buy a stock from $10 and then just watch it. $9.50, $9, $8.50, $8, $7.50, $7, right? You can't just let it go to the abyss like that, right? Plus, it looks ugly, right? But finally, though, it's hit the 50, right? In the $5 range, close to $6, and it's trying to curl. So that's a good thing. Alrighty. Hopefully, it's finally found the bottom for you, and then it can cook. But yeah, DJT. Yeah, maybe people are just positioning on a Friday going into next week election. People are just saying, you know what? From $57 to $30, let me or close to $30, let me buy the dips. Maybe. Yeah, GRI. Yeah, everything just seems to be popping left and right. Nothing really giving us the consistency that we need though. Yeah, so there goes GRI. And it's all old names too. So here comes $1.20. $1.20. So the typical resistance though, right? 120 resistance. VIR. Okay. VIR. Plans on BA. Oh, I haven't looked at that one this morning. SPY looks like it's hitting a bit of resistance, which is funny because that was the level we wanted it to bounce off yesterday. BA with the dipskis. Is it time, guys, for Boeing to finally go back up? I kind of would like for that thing to get closer to 50, but yeah, probably not though. Does anybody think Boeing is hit the bottom, guys? Is it time for Boeing to finally start going back up? Uh, Yeah, I've already lost 150,000. Is that what it means? So $1,500. Not yet. You don't think so, Trevor? You don't think Boeing is at the bottom? Yeah, this candle will be interesting though. Let's see if let's see if let's see if this this daily candle can show us a bit of momentum, and then maybe next week or going forward we can talk about it a little bit more. You think so? Yeah. Yeah, Boeing has had a terrible year. Terrible. Terrible year, right? Absolute disaster of a stock. I mean, obviously they're having issues with planes as well, so obviously they should be struggling. But yeah, like look at the what's the all-time high for Boeing? Oof, all the way up there. But yeah, something to keep an eye on. Yeah, yeah. Again, yeah. Is that 150,000 or $1,500 in that play return? Yeah, hopefully it's not $150,000. Hopefully not. I hope it's not. Cheddar. Yeah, probably. I mean, anyways, I feel like it's one of those companies though that like is all over the place. What's up, DAO? Good morning. Good morning. It's one of those places that like has their hands in so many places that you don't really think of them like ever going anywhere. But who knows? Who knows? GRI is still testing $1.20 there, so that looks good. That looks good. TOVX. Well, I mean, you can kind of watch for $2.10 ish, Eric, for double bottom, right? $2.10. Interesting. Yeah, GRI is looking good. There goes new highs of the day. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, okay, perfect. Bullishness. Foolishness. Ooh, that alert was good, Nikolai. Look at that. $4.47 now. 450. Dang. Well, it was a good thing we set the alert for the breakout, but I just didn't trust it because of the volume. Anyways, 450 resistance there next. 450. BTC's with the pops again. Maybe a green Friday. Doo-doo-doo. The someone posted somewhere on Twitter that the end of the month is usually when the markets turn around and be bullish again. So the beginning of the bullishness. So end of the month, beginning of the new month. So maybe the market can cook again. Whatever. Who knows? Who knows? And then GRI just got slapped. Slapped. No, 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 no. Yeah. Other than that, I don't really see anything else that I like. Oh, there goes another alert. What alert is this one for now? Wait till these in HD with an alert. Foolishness. Yeah, BA doesn't look bad, does it? Open market, open div skis and curling. Interesting. I'm gonna leave it on the side. Let me pull up in HD though. Yeah. It's okay to set alert, but it's better if you take take the trade. In it, bro. Yep, yep, yep. Well, there goes another alert, Tesh. For INHD. That one also has super low volume. Unbelievable. Anyways, anyways, Trevor, these BA candles are for you. You know, they're like, you don't believe in me. Highs of the day for CDXC. Pizza, can you pump something, please? Can you make something squeeze? Again, so Bitcoin is doing well, right? Let's see how we end the daily candle today. See if we can close above 70K, or, again, push now, but then just get slapped later with the rest of the market, right? So I would not be surprised to see the S&P get slapped at the end of the day. But no, 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 no. Yes, please, Daddy Nata. Yes, please. Yes, please. Are you guys ready to vote? Do your research over the weekend and go vote. Peter's gonna vote for for Nancy Pelosi. Sure, let me enter. uh, Peter's gonna vote for Nancy Pelosi. Mm. Probably that's the person that's Peter. Is your fantasy team ready to go? I made a transfer, and then I was like, and then I heard they were injured, Peter, and then there was another injured player on my team. I'm like, oh my goodness, whatever. Tonight, you're giving a speech. Why tonight, Peter? Why not during your work day? Foolishness of this stream. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Last Sunday, Laurie. Okay, sounds good. Because it's a night event. You know who goes at night? Peter. People that do drugs, Peter. Drugs. The path of darkness. Criminal. Unbelievable. Giving speeches on the streets, pretending that you're working while you're selling drugs with a sign that says, Come to Jesus now. Bombastic idiots. Unbelievable. 2 days ago, even there goes GRI pushing back for the highs of the day. Nice. Detonator. Even the early voting lines were long. Yeah. Hmm. Yup. That's what counts. Let's go, Detonator. Yeah. Sometimes you can mail those things into though, right? Like you can fill them out and then mail them in, right? Like 7 days in advance or something. -8 decision. Why didn't you take it -8 when I was playing against you? Yolandi says, blessings, good for you, Peter. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Don't encourage Peter. NQ. Let me pull up NQ. I bet you NQ is cooking today. Bet you it's cooking. NQ. So these are some nice green candles. That thing kind of seems like it's confused though. Well, potentially sitting at a double top. Clearly a bullish day though for sure. A bullish day today. You can take it with you to the polling if you missed the mail or the mail-in date. Oh, okay. uh, Pizza, unbelievable. Mm, 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 Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin does look a little bit better. See if we can get back above 71. uh, no, I haven't been abused today yet, Alan. Not yet. Uh, the guy behind me said, "Let's go," and what? And thrust, detonator, and thrust. Uh, in 5 minutes, Dan. PMI. Okay. 4 minutes. Ooh, Bitcoin is like, let me pop before I get slapped. Let me go before I get slapped. Yeah, let's see highs of the day. Not bad. Not bad at all. ISM, la, 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 la. Well, let's see how the market reacts. Bitcoin is about to hit 71. No, I brought in what's his face? I was gonna bring him last week. I wish I did. Matthias Cunha. Anyways, is that who I brought in? I think so. I did it earlier this week. So I think they go 71 for BTC Tesh. No, Tesh. I don't want violence. I don't want violence. Might be okay. Okay. Yeah. See, that's the thing, though. Might be right. Like, is team news out? Did you listen to? Did you see the team news? I haven't looked. And then Eze is injured, hamstring. So then who am I gonna play, Pita? So now I need to make another transfer. Unbelievable. Who do I bring in for Eze? Tell me, Pita. Tell me. And money is not a problem, actually. Well, it is. Yeah. I hope all your players are injured. You see what I have to deal with. Let's see. Yeah, this one just performed like really weak. So we went from what 210 all the way to 30 and then back down. Okay, bring out those numbers, Dan. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, man, you fired the coach. It was about time, Tesh. They fired that dude. When's West Ham gonna fire the coach? Anyways, moving on. Let me take a look at CDXC. Mm, 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 mm. Not a bad little rally. Not a bad little rally. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking good though. Who do I need in fantasy? Someone that's gonna score 3 goals. Eric. BURU, slowly cooking actually. Not bad. A position? Oh, I need a midfielder. Because the one I have is injured. Mr. Izzy. I would ask Pita, but pretty useless. I'm just waiting for those numbers to come out, and then I want to see what the markets do. Funny that we're watching Bitcoin to. But anyways, football, soccer. Eric, Bitcoin is kind of cooking, kind of cooking, Tesh, kind of cooking. Cooking. And here comes the news. The market is like, and so what? What news? Slap injuries. Rubbish. I mean, Peter, you're taking a -8, so you have the same problems. GRI is still looking good. Is anybody holding this one? Anybody holding GRI? Because that thing's done fairly well. There goes new highs of the day on this one. You are, Jonathan? Okay, yeah. It's done fairly well, hasn't it? Playboy is testing resistance. I'll take a look. I will take a look ski. Yeah, let's see where this candle actually closes though. If it closes above $1.30, then that'd be a good thing. And then COVX, I mean, we're back to retesting the bottom of the range at $2. So let's see if that thing bounces up $2. Kind of don't like that it's below the 200 EMA, but um, you'll see. And then this is the one that gave us the alert earlier. ILLR still looking okay. NQ had a nice little pop there and then came back into the same range. Dan, you just sold it, River. Congratulations, Jonathan. Yeah, ace, nice, good job, guys. Well done. And then I wanted to look at I forgot Playboy PLBY. Yeah, super slow though, right? Super slow, but moving in the right direction. Super slow. Do, do. What's Boeing doing here? Still around the same price? Yeah. Yeah. Good job, River. Well done. Do. Hmm. Do. Well done. Do. Looks like BTC hit the supply zone and it's dipping there. Not overly surprised. Perfect. Yeah, let's stream for another hour, guys, and then hop off and go back to Discord. Deal, right? Right. Yeah, let's do another hour or so, and then because today's gonna be filled with like micro scalps, mini scalps. Nothing too crazy. Virus, what did you buy? Did you buy puts or did you buy calls? What did you buy? Spy got me dropped again today. Ah, funny, funny. Yeah, I really think people are being cautious going into the election. Super cautious. I knew someone was gonna say that, and it had to be pizza. It just had to be. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Uh, blood will come. Oh, you bought puts. Okay. Yeah, blood will come. Second half of the day at least. You know, um, going into the votes, I think people are still gonna sell it off. So yeah, as long as you have time on those puts. Oh, you just close your Amazon. Let me look at Amazon actually. CDXC is still looking good actually. Uh, the amazing Amazon. Nice. Yeah, yeah, right at 200 virus, right at 200, right? Always that worth the gamble, worth the gamble any day of the week. So very nice virus, very nice, very nice puts. Yeah, green on those Amazon puts. Yeah, you need that thing to keep getting slapped a little bit more. Do. Well done. I mean, there might be a bit of a double bottom at 197 ish, 197.40 ish. But yeah, to be determined. There goes Bitcoin again pushing. Wouldn't it be funny if the markets went up to like the equivalent of what we did yesterday, 1.5%, 2%? How funny would that be? I think that would just confirm that people are just buying all the dips in the market now. Unless something major happens, all the dips are just getting bought up. BTC just hit new highs of the day, guys. Ooh wee, ooh wee. As well, made monies. Closed the puts already. Nitro monies. Well done. Teamwork, 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 teamwork. Dang, what happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin is Tesh, you see what happens when we pay attention to Bitcoin? You see what happens, Tesh? Look at that thing cook. 5 minute play. Yeah, those are nice. Those are very, very nice. In and out, quick. Where's ETH at? Let me take a look, Peter. Should be bouncing as well. You would hope. Yeah, there you go. Having a good day, just like BTC. It again. So these names all sold off like crazy yesterday though. So let me look at the 4 hour chart, Pizza. So bigger picture wise, you had that double top and then it sold off. Right now it's bouncing off that demand zone, so that's a good thing. Right. So today is looking like a bit of a green day for now, at least. For now, at least. So what's your average on ETH, Pizza? I think your average is something like all the way down to the abyss. So you should be a okay. Ooh, BTC cooking 71. When Bitcoin goes to 30 million, then yeah, cooking BTC. Shankar VIR, what's your question? Short. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Shorts, shorts, short, 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 short. That's a stock, by the way. Just looking NXL. Let me look at NXL. NXL like weirdly has a lot of um, NXL as a swing play. This thing has had a lot of attention. Okay, and there's obviously a lot of resistance up there, like a lot of resistance, but I wish that thing actually gave us a proper dip, but no. NXL, that was a good swing play. BTC with a slap. Yep. You don't trust BTC until it proves itself. No, BTC's done well. Right, that all-time high for Bitcoin is still right below 74. So below 74, Bitcoin has had a really nice year to date. Yearly performance, right? Like look at that, green on all the time frames, right? 98% over the last year, and then 66% year to date with 2 months to go. So pretty nice performance. Can you believe the year is done though? Like, can you believe that? Gosh. I In 20 minutes. Okay, sounds good, Virus. Yeah, we only have like another 50 minutes here. And then we're gonna go back to Discord. But the year is almost done, guys. I'm telling you, like since 2020 when COVID happened, it just seemed like time. Before that, a year would take a year. Now it feels like a year takes 2 months, and then we're into another year. Now we live in the matrix. Mm. Time is just flying, crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Yeah, consolidating of that demand, right? So that's not horrible. of $2. It needs the volume to break above Christopher, but yeah, we'll see. So it needs to get above $2.10. That's your next resistance. $2.10. But yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. 1 year feels like a week for this old man, Katie. No, don't worry. Age is just a number, you know. Time flies, but you stay young, you know. Stay strong and young. Alrighty, Pizza. Have a wonderful weekend as well. Have a good meeting today. A good speech. Tell them, you know. Tell them tell them all the good things. Pizza. Alrighty. Have a good weekend and chat later. Much love. Uh, the window and make. I'm thinking, how can life go so slow? Yeah, yeah. Seriously, Daddy Nader. How can life go so slow? You just want it to be older, right? And now you just want to stay at the same age. But time is just flying. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yep. That's why sometimes you have to slow down, you know, a little bit and enjoy things, you know? Because with the blink of an eye, everything is gone skis. Gone skis. Yeah, it looks like the yeah, Bitcoin is cooking. Can you tell I don't want to watch Spy today? Can you tell? Let me pull up the S&P because I don't want to watch these scam pumps. Sheesh, we're back to what 574. Damn, 1% day today. Sheesh, pumping. Yeah, pump it. If you bought the Spy dips yesterday, you're happy, right? And on red days like that, it's always nice to think about scaling in. Scaling in on the top gainer really hollow. Interesting. But yeah, the S&P looks good, guys. Again, let's see if it can keep these gains though. My concern is, again, going into the weekend, maybe it's going to sell off at the end, but we shall see. Yeah, hollow up 20%. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me zoom out on hollow. I just want to see what the because I know they've done multiple splits, right? Just this year alone, they've done two splits. I don't know how a company is allowed to do two splits in 1 year. Like, you kidding? Really? In 1 year, you're gonna allow a company to do two splits? Anyways, yeah, Holo just randomly bounced up 240. So yeah, not really anything that could have been predicted, but it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Bitcoin keeps failing at right at that level that we kind of mentioned yesterday, right below 71.4, right, which is the level we were looking at for support. So a little bit of resistance there. Mhm, mm, mm, mm. Exactly, Trevor. On Wednesday, 266. Ooh, yeah, that would have been good for you, Aussie. The Wednesday, yeah, as long as he held it though, because from 266, that thing went down even further to 240. Always an opportunity. La 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 la. Have a good weekend. Absolutely, AJ. Absolutely. Whether the market is rubbish or not, there will always be opportunities. Always opportunities. Yeah, Holo's doing okay today. $3.10. What do you think of Dogecoin? Yeah, I mean, are you asking because you're thinking about getting into a position, Doge? Right? Because that's a question. That's one of those questions where, like, hey yo, Jeff, good morning. Friday, yes. it's one of those questions. It's an if, right? If Trump wins, right? And then are you going to take the gamble? You might as well just wait and see if he wins, and then see if Doge is actually behaving, right? Because you're asking for you're asking for like the election result, and then you're asking if the stock will if the coin will actually move, right? You want to say, I want to say yes, right? I want to say yes, but at this point you're better off just waiting for, like, the good thing to is, like, Dogecoin is 24/7. So you could be watching the election and see how the results are going, and then see if Dogecoin is moving, and then you jump in immediately, right? So you're not gonna miss anything with Doge. It's not like a stock where you're like, oh, I have to make sure that I'm in the night before. No, yeah. So, and then what happens if you lose this, right? And then the stock is getting slapped, or the coin is getting slapped, and then, so yeah, you're better off. Yeah, yeah. Too many things that are out of your control. I don't like that. I don't like it. Do we have a channel just for cryptos in Discord? We do. Yeah, we do. We do. We do. It's called Crypto General. The ones I see only BTC. No, it's called Crypto General for all the cryptos, all the crypto chats. BTC just stalling right below there, but holding up well. Crypto General. It's been a while since I went over to Crypto Bubbles. You guys remember the days we would spend all day watching Crypto Bubbles? Crypto Bubbles. Yeah, one of my favorite sites. Crypto bubbles. Look, look, look. What is that? Yeah. Anyways, I want to pull up the last day or so. What about the last month? SPX. You know what's interesting, huh? Yeah, Doge is up 55% in the last month. Nice. Dogecoin. I'm sure some part of this is Elon Musk being around. We look at crypto bubbles, guys, and guess who shows up in the chat? Oh my goodness. We look at crypto bubbles and Josh shows up. One of the fun memories was going through like the list, and looking at some of the gains on some of these things. Virtual. Yeah. Some of the names are amazing. Do, 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 do. Look at that MAGA coin, guys. MAGA coin. Sigma. Wow, look at that, guys. There's a Sigma coin. 668%. Look at this. Look at this. 47,000% on this one. Question sometimes is, can you sell this stuff? But yep. It looks like the other coins now with the same names. Just the picture's different. Hmm. Crazy. Ooh, BTC just pushed, guys. New highs of the day for BTC. Good morning, Josh. Renovations on hold right now. You have a stomach bug? Oh, dang. Okay. But it's going very well. Yeah, Josh, get some soup and some tea, and then rest a little bit. Doge is the Department of Government Efficiency, sponsored by Elon Musk. Sponsored by Elon. Mm, 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 mm. Let's go. Yeah, Elon is gonna show up with the Doge to fire a whole bunch of people. You're fired. You are fired. Come on, BTC, give us 72. I'm kidding. Anyway, so we're now kind of sitting around that level we wanted to bounce off yesterday, right? So, but really good day for a rebound though. And here goes 71.5. 71.5. Supply zone. I Josh. You and Elon, fire. You're fired. It's Nancy Pelosi, fired. Actually, no, because then we need her to. Anyways, fired. Mm. 5 a.m. this morning. Changed the gauge. Yeah. Funny, Jeff. Funny, funny. Already fired, Josh. Leave the building immediately. Here goes GRI again. Yeah, like see, like nothing looks amazing except for Bitcoin and the S&P for now. So yep. Choo. But the still pushing. Yeah, it's media stuff though. Not live gas. That would be okay. Yeah, media stuff. That's why you have to do your research before you vote. Otherwise, people just lie to you. 223 for GME. Nice. Yeah, GME can go up with Bitcoin. Uh, 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 uh. Just go up. Maybe now that Josh is here, something can cook though. Something can go boomskis. uh, yeah, I bet you we're all gonna be in the politics channel on Tuesday, right? Watching the election live coverage. Live coverage. Pablo, let's go. Boomskis, Pablo. Let's go. Pablo's been busy, busy, busy. Getting stuff ready in the Dominican. Pablo, are you gonna be back to vote in the States before you go back, or are you just gonna hide in the Dominican? It just felt like saying Boomski. Yeah, Pablo. Pablo's moved, guys. Pablo now lives in the Dominican, so whenever you want to visit the Dominican, just send Pablo a DM. Early voted. Okay, okay, okay. Sounds good. Hopefully, Jason comes by. Oh yeah, sounds like a perfect night. Perfect night. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be staying up late. Just and then it's over, right? Then it's over with. And then we move on and deal with the outcomes. BTC, who said you could dip? Who said you could dip? Did Spy approve that message? Interesting. Okay. Maybe 4 years before they can count the. Funny, funny, funny. Yeah, no. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Regardless of who wins. Hopefully, they don't play silly games. Oh, there goes Boeing, guys. Boeing is at the highs of the day. See, we should have bought some Boeing, guys. Boeing has hit the bottom already. Look at that. We wanted this thing last night at 149. Well, now it's at 154. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, BA. Trevor, I know, right? Like, unacceptable. Yeah. Again, I wanted that thing like closer to 150, but I wasn't gonna buy this thing on a gap up. But for now, meh, right? I'm sure it's gonna dip again at some point. Your next long hold, yeah, I'm sure it's gonna dip again at some point. This is really just the first daily candle that it's had. Yeah, yeah. Everything will go smoothly until 3 a.m. in like 2020. When they decide who wins, and then violence. Violence. Yep. They should. Yeah. Anyways, it's today, so it would have been nice if it was. Maybe it's a good thing that it's not a Friday night or weekend. Because people are more inclined to cause chaos. It's a working night. It's a working week. So they better vote and go to bed. I respect the office, and the winner will na 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 live anywhere else. Not even in Canada. Oh my goodness, Daddy Nader. Not even Canada. Unbelievable. Not even Canada. Well, anyways, I don't want to say anything bad about Canada. So yeah, no, it's one of those things. Every country has their flaws. Ola looks okay still. CDXC been slowly cooking, one high after the other. 56%. Again, nothing crazy, but nothing crazy. Blister, that's what I wanted this morning, but at this point, at the highs of the day, it's not really something that I like, right? Um, yeah, yeah. I posted that in the options channel yesterday, last night, but yeah. But since that, it's been cooking, right? So 149, 150, 154 now. So slow and steady. I'm sure it's gonna give us something at some point. Let's go, Daddy Neta. Eddie, good morning. Do you have short-term buys? 4 months out looks interesting. Yeah, exactly, right. Maybe they finally turn the corner. Maybe they can finally start to um, stop with the destroying planes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm always excited to go skiing. That's the one thing that like that excites me about winter. Honestly, the only thing that excites me about winter is that I can go skiing. Other than that, it's too cold. The roads are rubbish. You have to shovel snow, clean it's just rubbish. Like, anyways. The only thing that I enjoy about winter is the skiing, because skiing is I don't know. The feel. Yeah, it's amazing. It's like when people jump out of like out of airplanes. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes, of course. You're in Playboy. You got in at $1.28. Okay, so you're kind of sitting at break even then. That daily chart isn't going to give us much, I don't think, but this 15 minutes should. So you can already see the double top, right? You can already see that double top at 145 to 150. So I do like the way that it's performing. You know what? Let me look at the daily really quickly. I want to see where that level is coming from. Oh, that's where it is. Right. If you look at the daily, you can see like it's coming all the way like 140 to 150, all the way like from the beginning of the year, Jan 2024. This $1.51, $1.40 has been a problem. So that's where that line is coming from on a smaller time frame. Okay, now let me go back to a smaller time frame, and it's the exact same thing, right? So yesterday it failed at that same spot, and then this morning it failed at $1.40 again. But I do like the way that it's slowly trending up, though. So if I were you, you're in at a dollar 28. Hmm. I would maybe for now again maybe just put that stop loss at break even, or if you're feeling okay, just put it right below $1.20 and then hope, yeah, and then go from there. Alrighty. So that's what I would do. Cool. Uh, holo, holo. Um, you're welcome, Eddie. You are welcome. Bitcoin is hitting new highs. Ooh, ooh, Buster. Ooh, Josh, when new all-time highs? Well, Josh did promise that we were going to all-time highs by end of the year, so we're on track. On track. On track. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, Boeing is cooking, guys. Dang it. That thing is really cooking. Trevor, my goodness. What did you delete? You deleted? Oh no, I don't see deleted comments. I get to see all the comments. Deleted or not. Uh, do. Oh, I see. Yeah, no, I get to see them. Yeah. Looks like that dip close to 151 this morning. That was it, Trevor. That was it. That was it. We should have picked up some Boeing calls. 151. That was it. It drives you nuts. Yeah, I know. I know. Yup. Dennis Holo. Yeah, no, Holo's done well. You're sitting at a double top for now though at $3.30, Dennis. But other than that, yeah, it's done well. Are you in a position to fun wants to run the cookie? I hope it runs. I hope it runs. Do, do, do. No position, Dennis. Okay, yeah, it's sitting at a double top. Then be careful. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Alrighty, alrighty. Yeah, we have about another 20 minutes left, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Alrighty, another 20 minutes left, and then Discord time. Do, do, do. Yeah, the markets are cooking today. Cooking, cooking. Cooking. Keep cooking, markets. Keep cooking. Give us 600s. Let's see. Do I want to know what you had for breakfast, Dan? No. I don't want to know what you had for breakfast. Why? Because I haven't had breakfast yet, so I don't want to know what you had for breakfast. Unbelievable. But I have a feeling you're gonna tell me anyways. Double top blister. Yeah. Maybe you can finally break out this time. And then Holo is trying to break above 330. Looks like it's going to though. There it goes. Features are the turning down Dadinator. Okay. Uh, so I think I finally understand how to read the charts, and unless Nvidia keeps Nvidia, are you trying to? But I could have made $700. Had a learning experience. So you had $700 in profits and you didn't sell it. French toast with maple bacon, grapefruit, and orange compote. However you pronounce that. I know like it's one of those unbelievable, unbelievable French toast with maple bacon. Ooh, there goes Holo. New highs of the day. 37% on Holo. Yeah, Mister, what's it? So yeah, yeah, that's okay. It's one of those things, right? You live and you learn. DBRG Moses. I'm not sure I know what that is. Not sure I know what that is. Mm, DJT fell off a cliff. I'd win, but didn't fully understand. You're not worried. You're happy. Yeah, as long as you learn from it, right, Mister? Again, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord, and you'll learn a lot quicker. Anyways, yeah, let me take a look at DJT. Woof! I think got slapped. Yup. Dang, I wish we got those puts, those DJT puts at 57. 57 to 32. That's a pretty nice drop. We would have been, getting paid. Getting paid. Yeah, ENSC. Highs of the day. Are you trading stocks, Daddy Data? Are you trading stocks? ENSC. Though I know those puts were very expensive for DJT. I think we were looking for $20 puts, and at $57, those things were still all the way up there, and they were only down 10%. Like, are you kidding? Everybody kind of knew the dip was coming. Like it wasn't yeah, ENSC does look good though. I think that's the only thing that kind of held us back then. Let's go. You're short NQ right now? Okay. Short NQ. There goes new highs, 80 cents. 80 cents. Hmm. Yeah, it's funny again. Like it's funny how, the stocks that we were looking at today are, again, like less than 50%, right? Less than 50% gains, and we're like, oh, this is the top gainer. Whereas last week it was like minimum 100%, so we're not looking at it. Everything that was mentioned exploded to 100%. Riotous. Okay. Mhm. There goes 82 cents. Yeah, that looks like a good short, Dadinator. If it breaks resistance, well, really your resistance breakout was 73, right? That was your break above resistance, right? If breaks resistance, yeah, this was your, like, look to the bottom here, right? That was your resistance, 72 cents, and then boom skis breakout. So um that was your breakout. Oh, DJT is about to slap that demand zone, isn't it? That's the pre-market low, right? 31 dollars basically. Yeah, pretty nasty candle. Pretty nasty candle. Holo looks like it wants to go to the highs again. 350. $3.50. It is, yes. Um, it is. You wanna, again? We'll talk about it a bit more when we do your first one-on-one. It's gonna make a bit more sense to you, but yeah, we will talk about it a bit more. There's resistance, and then there's a breakout. Is what I'm trying to say, Mister. Right? You have resistance, which is just, again, just a random level, right? You break above that level, and then yes, you're supposed to, but not always. And then there's a breakout, and then more volume comes in after a breakout. So we'll talk about it more. And then again, so we were supposed to have a class today, guys, right? But that's been moved to next Friday because Rob had to go to a funeral. Um, and then obviously it's we're talking about we were supposed to talk about the algo, right? So Rob kind of has to be there. So that's been moved to next Friday. Next Friday. Next Friday. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. Yeah, yeah. La, 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 la. There goes ENSC. New highs of the day. Not the candle hasn't fully closed yet, but still new highs of the day. Next Friday, Cheddar. Yeah, they always will be a recording of the class. Always, always, always. And then you can watch it after on the weekend or something like that. If you're not available. Spy is forming a get ready to be entered. Pan. Hmm. 83 pennies. News in 2 minutes for Spy. Do, 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 do. Yeah, see how those candles are all not really closing above 82. They're just like pushing above, but then coming right back below. That's called a scam. A scam. This one's actually done okay today. CDXC. Did you? Yeah, it did it crash? Dadinator, you made monies on NQ. Let's go. Well done. Oh yeah, I see. I see. BTC getting slapped. I see them getting slapped. BTC is the same rubbish as they all kind of move the same when there's an extreme move. So there goes the slap. Everything dipping, and Dadinator is smiling because he's printing monies now. Printing monies. Well done. Uh, Amazon puts anyone? Uh, yeah, Shamir. No, no, no. Yeah, you missed it. You missed the puts. What were you doing? Were you napping? Unbelievable. Let me take Dan's breakfast away from my screen. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, what do we? Oh yeah, we have like 12 more minutes, and then time Discord time, and then it's weekend time, guys. So 12 more minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions, anything else, and then we're gonna be in Discord for the rest of the day, right? Obviously the market isn't closed yet, so we're gonna be scalping, but in Discord already. So if you're not a member yet, make sure you come join us in Discord. Otherwise, you're gonna be on Twitter. True. MLGO. A bit of a bounce for BTC there. True, true, true. A bit of a bounce. You're down so much on MLGO blister? Yeah. It's that diamond hand mentality, though, right? Don't worry. Like when I see you on the one-on-one, I will make sure to slap you. Because we need to change this behavior, this diamond hand behavior. So be ready. Be ready. Make sure you come with the helmet. I'm kidding, by the way. I'll be nice. But yeah, we can't be holding on to these garbage things, holding on too long. You're just watching, Trevor? Okay, sounds good. So CDXC still looks okay. And then 350, your next resistance for Holo, unless we bounce off that level that you're looking at. So closer to 320, right? And then 310, and then $3. Almost like every 10 cents, you have a thing there for SPY. DJT for now is just kind of sitting there and consolidating, and then ENSC could not break out, right? So, again, obviously the candle's pushed above, but it's not closing above, so it doesn't count. I can teach a class about diamond handling exactly, Nikolai. It only hurts you. It only hurts you. Diamond hands only hurts you. Yeah, it looks like the markets are getting slapped a little bit. Slap, slap, slap. Like, I don't think anybody's surprised that the markets are going back down. Oh, before? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, the only thing, again, I mentioned this yesterday, right? The only things you diamond hand are, the like the stuff you've done research on, and also the stuff that that's proven over the years to perform, right? And those are usually along the lines of like Meta, Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, stuff like that. Not these garbage momentum stocks we play with. Take your money and move on. Otherwise, you'd be slapped. Slapped. Yeah, Eric. Yup. You're gonna have like these little scalps all over the place, but nothing that goes crazy. Archer's been cooking, 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 cooking in the options channel. Do, 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 do. When there's should you sell some shares? It depends, Blister. So the way that I would treat that is if I bought a stock at $5 and then it went to $2, um, and I was down a whole bunch, right? So then as it went up to, like, if it went up to $3, I don't want to go back to $2. So then I would move my stop loss up, right, to $2.50. If it went up to $4, I would move my stop loss to $3.50. So you would slowly chase it back up, right? So you don't end up in the same situation you were in or worse, right? That's how I would look at it. Yeah, let's get to 100 likes, guys, before we hop off. We have like 8 minutes left. So again, smash a like if you haven't, please and thank you. Let's get to 100 and then let's call it a day, right? So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbox and come join us. Alrighty. Lunch with a dip. Yeah, the usual, right? The usual. Any weekend plans, guys? Any weekend plans? Dan is gonna be barbecuing, but let's ignore Dan. uh, Much clearer. When I'm overthinking, I tend to mimic. That's usually how it is, right, Trevor? That's why people say like paper trading is easier, and when they actually use real money, it's not as easy. Nothing has changed, right? Like your biggest obstacle in the market is your mind, your psychology, right? So, um, you paper trade, you succeed. You use real monies. There's a little bit of pressure there, right? You're like, okay, this is actually money now, and then now you start to overthink and you start to make irrational decisions. It's not like, oh my goodness, all of a sudden like you've entered like the dark realm or something, and and you're playing with a complete different stock, right? No, you're just in a different like headspace now. Fireworks tonight. Ooh, that sounds like fun, Tesh. That sounds like fun. Fireworks. And then you're gonna roast a lamb, aren't you, Tesh? Let's go. That sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Holo's kind of been cooking on the momentum scanner channel there. Momentum scanner has been cooking with Holo. Holo. Yeah. Took a week, some books on mindset trading. So far, it's helped. It really does make a difference. It really does make a difference, Nitro. It really, really does. Yup, yup. You know, with fireworks after the water rocket incident. Oh my goodness. Good, good. You think I should take some profits on your HUD shares on the TSX? Let me take a look. So you got into HOTS at 1470. Hot on the TSX. Oof, beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's major resistance, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful. $14. I think you saw some before all-time high resistance, and then hold the rest for a new all-time high. I think that's a perfect plan. Yeah, I think you should do that too, right? It would have been nice to do that closer to 25 or 26, but yeah, I think that's a good plan, Bondi. I like it. Have a wonderful weekend, Jay. Absolutely, with Robert. Absolutely. BTC all time high. Yeah. Eventually, Bondi, but yeah, you have a really good position. Right? There's a bit of support at 22, so either way, you're going to be good in this stock. So yeah, you just have to decide if you have a big enough position to sell some. And yeah, there's nothing wrong with taking some profits at all, and then keeping the rest, to see us. I will see all of you. Let's go, Azul. Drugs, drugs, drugs. You just got back, Shamir? Okay, sounds good. BA left us behind, Shamir. Look at that. New highs of the day. That candle hit new highs of the day, 154.50. Those calls would have been printing right now, you know? Those calls would have been printing, Shamir. Unbelievable. Too bad it had to gap up today, right? To gap up. Stick to the rules. Exactly, Nitro. Like discipline, very, very important. Which is what like the which is what like the books are teaching you, right? For the most part, come up with a plan, stick to the plan, right? I think that's the toughest thing. We can't seem to stick to the plan, you know. Uh, you should have bought some yesterday. I know, sure, I know. Yeah, 149, 150 would have been perfect, but no, we couldn't get into those calls anyways, right? I mean, you could have bought shares, but I couldn't get into those calls yesterday because the market had closed already. But yeah, no, definitely cooking. So maybe Boeing has hit the bottom. Z bottoms. That's okay though. It's okay. Maybe we get a dip, or maybe we do not get a dip. Maybe we. Anyways. Yeah, yeah. Rob sent Rob sent me a message. Rob said, yeah, yeah. It's tough. It didn't hit me until I saw him. Yeah. So very sad. So yeah, keep Rob in your thoughts and prayers, like Dan said. Yep. Trading to the bit. I've been watching BA for a couple of months. Anytime I was expecting a closer to spring, Trevor. Yeah, look at it cook. Yep. Cooking for sure. We're about to hit 155. We should have just forwarded into those damn calls, huh? 'Cause now somebody's pumping it. Somebody pumping it for the BAs. Yeah. La, 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 la. Oh yeah, perfect. Successfully. La, 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 la. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna leave it here for today, and we're gonna continue in Discord. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Much love. Be safe out there. Alrighty. Can smash like before you go, and if you're not a member yet and you do become a member, send me an email, hottradesx@gmail at the top of your screen, and I'll send you an invite already, or the link is in the community tab on YouTube. Have a wonderful weekend, Jay. Already. Have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Shamir, Amazon is going for 200 again. Yeah, have a D. Have a good day as well. Wonderful weekend, Eric. Have a good weekend. Tesh, enjoy the fireworks and some good food. Have a wonderful weekend. Jericho, stay green, not greedy. Have a wonderful weekend. Russell, have a wonderful weekend. Puts, yeah, as long as we stay below 200 for especially 201.20. If it breaks above that level, it's gone skis. New all-time highs. Alrighty. Azul, thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love, Trevor. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend, Trevor. Much love. Let's go, Dan. Don't give your gains back, please, and thank you. do your height exercises? I will. Jumping jacks, and then leg pulls. Dan, much love. Have a wonderful weekend. See you in Discord. Lizzie, have a nice weekend as well. Already. Yeah. Jay Wolf, thank you. Hiding in the shadows and don't comment much, but I appreciate the guidance. Absolutely, Jay Wolf. Thank you very much for saying something already. Have a wonderful weekend. See you next week. Have a great weekend, Minor. River, bye for now. Have a wonderful weekend, Ty. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love, everybody. Much love. Bye, guys.
Hot trade, building you to the scene. Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the game stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze the shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot